My passion was business.
I wanted to do my passion.
I want to leave an impact on the society.
And it's something that I definitely do want to do.
Yorkville University's mission is to be an accessible university as well as flexible, to offer programs that are suited to people's lifestyle. We offer that kind of flexibility so that people can achieve their lifelong goals.
The program is set up as such that it allows students who are not familiar with the program itself or not familiar with the environment to have an understanding of how we function as a business society.
Student-centered learning. Students have an opportunity in class to do a lot of their work, not just you come in for a lecture, you do a lot of your learning activities, exercises. Majority of the teaching and learning happens in the classroom, which again is advantageous to people that are in the industry working or parents out there, because a lot of the work that you need to get done is achieved in the time that you spend in the class here. So you have more time to do the rest of your life out there.
So our admissions advisors here at Yorkville University work directly with the students and their supporting agents to ensure a very smooth and successful transition from overseas into our BBA and Bachelor of Interior Design programs.
We have lots of activity to support students to enjoy their student life, and beside that we also have workshops to help students to transition into their lives into YU as well as their life in Toronto or your life in Vancouver.
I must say I'm extremely happy to come to Canada and study in Yorkville University.
You actually matter.
I was able to then continue to work and get my education at the same time.
I think it's a great choice of coming to Yorkville University if you want to achieve something.